Still works, and today's session we are going to cover the Codeigniter installation in our part 2. So already we covered in part 1 what are the steps to install the Codeigniter. So before going to install our Codeigniter, we need to check whether the XAMPP server is there or not. So for that we need to type this URL http:/localhost, and by pressing enter it will display the home page of the XAMPP server, but there is no display of the home page, so it confirms that there is no XAMPP server. So for that, go to the apachefriends.org website, and it will show us the lot of versions of the XAMPP. So this one is for the XAMPP for Windows, and this one is for XAMPP for Linux, and this one is for XAMPP for macOS. So I already installed XAMPP in my system, so simply go to the C drive, and there the XAMPP is there. In the XAMPP, I click on the XAMPP control, and it will display the control panel, and then start the Apache server. Now my server is ready. So I again open the URL, the same URL, and I refreshed it. This displays the XAMPP homepage. So now my server is ready. Next I need to go and download the Codeigniter. So straight away go to the codeigniter.com/download and download the latest version of the Codeigniter 4. So by clicking the download, it will display where to save it. So I already downloaded it, and I placed the Codeigniter in my XAMPP folder also. So now go to the XAMPP and go to the htdocs. Inside the htdoc there is a Codeigniter is there. So now I want to access the Codeigniter in my XAMPP server. So type http:/localhost/codeigniter/public, and I press enter. So this is the welcome page of the Codeigniter. So if this page appears, that simply tells that Codeigniter is ready for us, right? These are the simple steps. If we follow these simple steps, then we can confirm that we can use the Codeigniter in our system. Thanks for watching.